Top 5 pros and cons of moving to Mississauga, Ontario in 2025. Thinking about moving to Mississauga in 2025? You're not alone. Over 700,000 residents, this city is now one of the fastest growing in Canada. But before you pack your bags, you want to know the real pros and cons of living here. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 pros and cons of moving to Mississauga. And trust me, the cons list might surprise you. And stick around to then because I'll also share a few insider tips that will save you some time and money and stress if you're planning to move here. First up, the climate. For Ontario standards, Mississauga is one of the mildest climates. Winters are a bit gentler, summers are warmer and sunnier, and being right on the Lake Ontario helps balance out the extremes. You'll still get some snow, this is Canada after all, but compared to the place like Ottawa or Sudbury, it's much easier to handle. Number 2, transportation. Mississauga is surprisingly well connected. Between GO Transit, MeWi buses, and quick access to major highways like 401, QEW, and 403, commuting in and out of the city is relatively straightforward. If you work in Toronto, you appreciate the multiple transit options. Number 3, quality of life. Mississauga consistently ranks among the top cities for livability, with clean parks, over 480 green spaces, and commuting centers everywhere. You'll always find something to do. Plus, the healthcare system and schools are strong, making it a great choice for families. Number 4, education. With over 150 schools across 4 boards and the University of Toronto Mississauga campus, families have plenty of great options. If you're raising kids or planning on higher education, this city has you covered. And finally, number 5, diversity. Over half of Mississauga residents were born outside of Canada. That means you get incredible foods, festivals, community representation, and more than 150 nationalities. It's one of the easiest cities in Ontario to feel right at home as a newcomer. Sounds pretty great, right? But before you get too excited, let's look at the other side of the coin. Here's the top 5 cons of living in Mississauga. First up, the cost of living. Rents for a 1-bedroom apartment can easily hit $2,000 or more. Plus groceries, utility, transport costs adds up quickly. Meaning Mississauga isn't exactly cheap, but a bit more affordable than Toronto, but not much. Number 2, walkability. Unless you're in a neighborhood like Port Credit or Stevensville, you'll probably need a car. Mississauga was built for drivers, so running errands without one can be inconvenient. Third, the summer heat. From June to August, humidity levels can make it feel like 35 degrees plus. Not only uncomfortable, but cooling costs can skyrocket. Number 4, noise. With the Toronto Pearson Airport nearby, you'll notice planes flying overhead daily. Some people get used to it quickly, others find it distracting. And finally, number 5, traffic. With major highways cutting through the city, rush hour can be brutal. Add in construction, and getting around can be sometimes feel like a full-time job. So, is Mississauga worth it? Honestly, it depends on your lifestyle and budget. If you value diversity, great schools, and proximity to Toronto, this city is a fantastic fit. But if you're hoping for cheap rents, walkable streets, and stress-free commuting, you might want to think twice. Now, I would love to hear from you. Would you move to Mississauga in 2025? Drop your thoughts and comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, hit subscribe, and share this video to anyone planning to move to the GTA. And if you're planning to move, check out the link in the description for resources to make your move smoother.